Hi, welcome back to Rusted Junk Garage. Well, today we're back on the no budget 55 Chev truck, and I'm going to show you how to fix the windlays in the window channels on a budget. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this. Okay, here's the materials that I use. Very simple. If you shopped around for windlays on your vintage Chevy or GMC truck, through the different various suppliers, you'll find out it's going to probably cost you about 150 bucks to replace them. Well, I'm going to show you what I did for about $6. I went and purchased a roll of Velcro. I got the 1 inch. I would use 1.5 if I did it again, and it's the glue back stuff. All I use is a couple pairs of needle nose pliers and a few plastic interior tools, a measuring tape, which I really didn't use that much. And so what I did is I realigned the channels that are in there with the loop side of the Velcro. And it comes, you get two rolls. It was about, oh gosh, I don't know, 13 bucks for 23 feet. I probably used 10 feet of one. So use the loop side and the sticky back stuff, and let me show you how it turned out over here. Again, we used the existing channels in the truck, took nothing apart, did a little bit of cleanup, took the old stuff out, and we installed that new Velcro in there. The windows in the old truck, they used to rattle going down the road, and of course, wind noise and all of that. And this just worked real slick. So we're pretty pleased with that. Up we go, and there you go. Real tight seal, nicely done. Is it show quality? No, but this is a no budget build. We're trying to show you fellas how to do this on a budget, and I don't know. I spent both doors maybe an hour, a little bit of a learning curve, and I'll tell you what I did there. Let me take you over to the other side here and show you. I did the driver's side first, and this is the passenger side. You can kind of see in there, it just stuck real nice all the way, even across the top, and even got down into the channel there. So you can see that window pretty darn solid for an old truck. So we're pretty pleased with that. So let me show you some of the things we did here. On your Velcro here, what you want to do is when you're installing this, first of all, clean out the channel, pull out some of the old stuff of it still in there, clean it out the best you can. Took me a couple minutes. If you need to, use a pair of vice grips to pull some of it out. Came out real easy. But when you're installing this, take it before you pull your sticky back off and take a couple inches of it like that and fold it in half. So it's like that. So you got a little bit of a crease in it. And what you're doing is you want that to go down into the middle of the channel and stick, so when you push it out, it kind of lays even on both sides. And then strip it down again, 4 or 5 inches, whatever you feel comfortable with, and put it in. Use your tool to press it down into the corners, and you just simply work your way down on that, peeling it off. When you get to the bottom, if you're a little bit too long, I cut mine. I just held it up there and measured it and cut it, and I might have been an inch too long. You snip that off with your scissors and run it in the channel. And there you go. That's how I did it. No budget fix for your windlay. So that's how we did it here at the Rusted Junk Garage. Always trying to build these darn things on a budget, you know, make it easy and cheap for you guys. Not everybody can afford all the new stuff, and some of the availability on this stuff isn't that great either. So there you go. Cheap, easy fix for your classic truck. If it's not a show truck, who cares? It's a junker. It's fun to drive, and we like to build them on a budget. So thanks for joining us today. Rusted Junk Garage. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.